if you remember from the last episode with the Ranger, where we had a few problems and there was a piece missing out of here, specifically the little retaining clip that is this the right one? Yeah, there's the hole. The retaining clip that holds the shoe on the thing. Well, look at this. It's amazing what you can get. Budweg. Yeah. But look at that. Now, I only want this and this, but this kit was $4.99. Might have been $5.99. Don't know. Either way, it's going to sort that out. And what I'm also going to do is get the handbrake off, and I'm going to try and adjust the brake properly, which I do, because there is a on the back of the drum where the adjuster. In fact, you know what? Let's take the damn thing off, eh? So, yes, we're going to fix that. Now, you should be able to see down in there, that little thing. Oh my God, you should be able to see down there. See that little bung there? You can take that off, and then you can get a screwdriver in and tweak that down so it'll adjust it up. But you can do it when the wheel's on. So you get a true representation. All you need to do is spin the wheel and tighten it up so it stops moving. Then you slack it back just enough to get the wheel moving again, and that should be alright. Now, I think these are a little on the slack side at the moment because that drum came off too easy. There's also no ridge on it as well, because I remember what I did when I changed these in the first place, and as I ground the ridge off. But I'm going to have a crack at that, but let's get this changed first, or get this put on here first. Now, as I mentioned, all we really need is this little naily looking thing and one of these clips, because we're not really replacing anything else. There's no need. Brakes are in, apart from the adjuster, we're in remarkably good condition. So let's poke this through here, and hopefully they shan't need any tools. They should be able to do it by hand, he says. Ooh, they are a bit tight. Okay. Okay, there we go. And that was it. That was it. That's all it took. So, this shoe is now in the right place. It's held in the right place. What I'm going to do while I'm here is take this bung out here. I haven't got a... So we got that bung out of there, and let's get this drum back on. Oh Christ! One, put two on. Now, there we go. Now, what we should be able to do is get behind it. Although, how I'm going to film this, I got no idea. I think you're just going to have to take my word for it. Should just be able to see down inside it. You see the adjuster? And what I've got to do is, I think that's got to go up, and you just tweak it up. Or you would, if you could get your screwdriver to fit. Huh. There we go, there we go. A little bit of time. This should be me pushing this out. I can see it turning very... Whoa! Right, there we go. So we're going to go back a couple of clicks till we can move it again. One more, try that. There. Yeah! That'll do. That will do nicely. Right, okay. Now, I would go and do the other one, but it's exactly the same. I will do it. However, it's late. I'm tired. I've had enough for one day. So, I can have a quick tidy up. I'm going to go home and have a shower. Because that's kicked my ass tonight, that off. Man.
It's alright, that.